A hot topic right now in digital marketing is buying Google reviews. So I know that there's been a lot of issues with clients and prospects that we talk to and just businesses in general that are having trouble getting their Google reviews actually sticking and staying, even though they are legitimate. So people are coming out of the woodworks right now and offering to sell fake Google reviews in order to drive more traffic and more brand awareness and attraction to the Google listings or Google business profiles, as it's now known, for these businesses. And it's very lucrative, it's very intriguing, it's a shiny object that a lot of people are paying attention to. So we're getting a lot of questions, right now, Adam, should I go ahead and start buying Google reviews to, one, not only try to get more reviews, but see if they stick comparatively to the fake one, or comparatively to the real ones that I'm already out there getting that aren't sticking right now. I'm here to tell you, going down that route of buying a Google review is not the answer to the issues that you're seeing right now with Google Business Listing and the reviews that come along with it. That is cheating the system more so ethically than anything. You might be able to go buy Google reviews and have them stick for a little bit, maybe even forever. But is it really what you want your brand and your business to be known for? Is, hey, they're just someone that's really willing to go ahead and buy reviews that are not legitimate and grow their business that way. So it comes down to the fact that, one, you're eventually going to get caught. And when you do get caught by Google, it's not going to be pretty. They're going to eventually start to go and take down a ton of different reviews, even the legitimate ones that are out there. And it might be very attractive to go ahead and take a look at that as an option here in the short term, but long term, it's just not going to be something viable that you want your Google business listing, that you want your business to be known for. And again, I know a lot of companies that are out there are doing it, but those are the same companies that are just shady in real life as well. There's no reason to go and buy Google reviews. You should be getting reviews on your own. Again, I understand the frustration. We've had 10 to 15 Google reviews on our digital marketing Hite digital GMB, as well as my auto glass company, just not come through. And it sucks. I'm right there with you. It absolutely sucks. But the alternative in just going and buying reviews in the short term to make up for some of that stuff is not the answer. It's getting more high quality reviews. It's doing very good work that speaks for itself, that leads you to get more reviews, more referrals, and word of mouth. That is the answer to the situation that we're seeing right now with Google. Again, I know it's probably not the answer that you're looking for. Again, I get the question all the time, should I just go out and buy fake reviews in order to get them to stick on my profile and see if it helps? It's not worth it. They're very cheap. I understand there's not a lot of harm that can go into it on the front end, but if your profile gets flagged for fake Google reviews, the last thing that you want is your profile getting suspended. It's already hard enough to keep profiles up right now with what Google has going on. And again, it's just not something that I would ever recommend at any point in time, but especially right now. It's a very sensitive time with the Google business profile. It's a very sensitive time with Google in general. So just do things the right way. I understand your frustration. I'm right there. I've had the same stuff happen to me. I'm in the boat. I'm in the market. I understand what's going on. So do yourself a favor. Just stick it out. Ride the waves. Do exactly what Google's asking. Don't buy fake Google reviews. And eventually this is all going to come full circle. We'll be looking back on it, and you'll be able to see the validity behind not buying fake Google reviews, because people are going to get caught. They're going to get suspended. They're going to get flagged. And eventually you'll be in a position to be able to take over the market once you do things the right way. Hope this video helped, and we'll see you next time.